Hello everyone, this is Hossam Elwahsh. I'll be discussing the second assignment for artists. So this assignment consists of three tasks. The first one is toggling an LED when a push button is pressed, and the toggling action is taken on the release of the button. For the second task, it consists of two free artist tasks, each of which writes a certain string 10 times per each task cycle. The first task writes every 100 millisecond, and the second task writes every 500 millisecond, while also simulating a heavy load between each write of these time. Okay, the third task consists of four free artist tasks. Task 1 and 2 each detects the rising and falling edge for a certain push button, and notifies the consumer task with events. This consumer task is task 4. Task 3 sends a periodic string every 100 millisecond to the same consumer task, which is task 4. And the consumer task itself writes on UART the received events or messages. Okay. For each task, I have a certain PR. You can access them using these links. Each PR having a quick description and the final results, along with some technical data. Okay, moving on to the first task simulation, which is toggling an LED when a push button is pressed and released once. Okay, so rebuild on the debugger. The button is on the button is on port 0, pin 0, which is number 16, and the LED is number 17. Okay, so as you can see, the button is a green line, which is currently high. When we go down, the LED will, the LED toggles. Pressing the button again, releasing the LED toggles. Press, release, toggles. That's pretty simple task. Okay, moving on to the second task. Let me switch branches. Second task, we have two different tasks writing on UART with different timing. Expected that task 1 will write more often than task 2, and they shouldn't interfere with each other. Okay. I'm currently using mutex to synchronize the shared resource, which is the UART for the two tasks. Okay, I'm gonna run. You can see down here the UART results. I'm gonna stop. Okay, task 1 saying hello, task 2. Task 1 is way more than task 2. Task 2 10 times, task 1 again. And it goes along like this. Okay, so moving on to the final task, task 3. Let me reset. Okay. Task 3. You should see on the UART the events for each button, press and release, as well as the periodic string that is being sent every 100 millisecond. I also set this string to be to have a counter that counts from 0 to 9 to make it easier to see the actual cycles. Okay, so button 1 and 2 are on bin 0 and bin 1, which both are currently active or pressed. So stop. You can see here periodic has sent a 0. Button 1 is pressed and button 2 is also pressed. Then periodic continues sending signals every 100 milliseconds. If I clear this button, you see button 2 released, button 2 pressed, button 1 released, pressed, also released, and nothing cuts any of the other messages. I'm actually using a queue for the even notifications. You can see here message data, and I'm also using a private function called notify, which takes a notification. The notification is just a symbol 1 byte, and the actual message is a macro to quickly use it in code. And you can see here the periodic have a digit that is being incremented for every cycle. Okay, that will be all for this assignment, and thank you for watching.